This year, the North Allegheny School District celebrates its 60th anniversary. As the 2008-2009 school year begins, this milestone is worth a minute or two of reflection. 60 years is a lot of history, and in the case of NA, a great deal has been accomplished. However, there is one theme that was planted early and sustained throughout the course of the district's outstanding story, and it continues to inspire the district's future. First and foremost, it is essential to provide an excellent education for our children. Here is how the story began. In July 1948, a group of forward-thinking leaders from the municipalities of Marshall, Bradford Woods, Franklin, Pine, and McCandless met together to form what they called the North Allegheny Joint Schools. At that time, each of those municipalities had small schools for children in grades 1 through 8. However, their children were being bused to Ambridge, Aliquippa, Mars, Perry, and Westview to attend high school. The goal of this joint board was to improve the standards of education for its children in grades 1 through 8 by merging the existing schools and by constructing a community high school so that students could complete their education in their own community. These 22 leaders recognized that the population in their small rural communities had almost tripled between the years of 1910 and 1945, from just over 3,000 to almost 9,000 residents, and they believed that this trend would continue, mainly because more and more Pittsburghers could afford automobiles and didn't mind commuting. It seemed that families would prefer to live in a beautiful country setting just 12 miles outside the city if their children could attend quality schools close to home. Looking back, their vision was absolutely correct. While the city of Pittsburgh itself had its ups and downs in terms of population growth and economic stability over the years since the late 1940s, the region which became known as the northern suburbs has consistently expanded and developed over the ensuing 60 years. When these communities joined together as one district for the 1948-1949 school year, the total enrollment of the district was 1,412 students. There was a teaching staff of 35 and an administrative staff of 2. The district's annual budget was $262,305.93. Pine Township withdrew from the jointure in 1950. Still, this board of the North Allegheny Joint Schools pulled together $30,000 and purchased the 152-acre Cole Farm, which is the parcel of land situated midway between Perry Highway and the then non-existent McKnight Road, with the intention of building their first high school. Today this piece of land is called the Cumberland Campus. McKnight Elementary School, NA Intermediate High School, Carson Middle School, the Transportation and Facilities Building, the Central Administration Offices, and the Northland Library are located on this land. In 1952, a groundbreaking was held for the new North Allegheny Joint Junior-Senior High School. In 1954, the building was dedicated and Dr. Jonas Salk, who discovered the polio vaccine, was the guest speaker. By that time, there were more than 12,000 residents in the district. The first class graduated from the new high school in 1957, 160 students strong. By 1967, the graduating class consisted of 461 students, and by 1977, the graduating class consisted of 720 students. The growth was steady and the standards for the district remained high. Each school board and superintendent was committed to building quality facilities, communicating regularly with residents and being accountable to them for every aspect of district management, and, above all, providing students with a high-quality education. Today, the total student enrollment at North Allegheny is approximately 8,000. The professional staff numbers over 600, and the district employs a total of over 1,000 individuals. The 2007-2008 annual budget was approximately $110 million, and the population of our community is well over 45,000. The district has not only kept up with the growth and the needs of the community, but has also grown to be competitive on every level with the best public school districts in the country. The students who graduate from the North Allegheny School District leave here prepared to be contributing, productive citizens of the world. Over these 60 years, many people have chosen to live and work in the North Allegheny School District because of the vision and integrity for which the district is known. This is a place with a reputation for dedication to children and excellence in all things. Whether you have been here for all of your professional career, or whether this is your very first day as part of the North Allegheny professional family, You are now part of this great legacy that will leave its mark for generations to come. Join the celebration. Happy 60th birthday, NA.